Good day, everyone. Our report is about modern standard dances. These are traditional ballroom dances that involve true time and are performed both socially and competitively. Modern standard dances are what can also be called ballroom dances. The term ballroom comes from the Latin term ballare, which means to dance. In short, modern standard dances are formal partner dances that are usually performed in ballrooms or dance halls. They are known for elegance, smooth steps, and the strong connection between partners. The term modern was included as some ballroom dances are considered newer dances. Therefore, the modern standard dances are a collection of ballroom dances in dance sport. This means that not all ballroom dances are traditional. Some of them developed later and were included in competitions. That's why they are called modern standard dances. They represent a more updated group of ballroom dances that are recognized in dance sport today. One of the famous dances from Argentina is tango. Originating in Argentina, tango with its dramatic and stealthy movements was first performed by laborers and musicians. The tango is known as one of the most passionate dances. Its sharp and dramatic movements create intensity between partners. This makes it unique compared to other modern standard dances, which are usually smooth and flowing. Waltz from England. Introduced and performed in 1874, it only caught the limelight in 1922. This dance is characterized by rise and fall movements with sways and side steps with waltz create smooth movements. The waltz became one of the most loved ballroom dances because of its romantic and graceful style. The rise and fall movements makes the dance look like the couple is gliding across the floor. Its therefore rhythm gives it a smooth flowing quality that has made it a favorite in both social dancing and competitions. Foxtrot from United States, inheriting its name from Harry Fox, an American actor comedian who performed the dance. This dance showcase like walking movements partnered with rise and fall motion similar to waltz. The foxtrot is often described as smooth, progressive, and elegant. It became popular in the early 20th century and it usually danced to jazz or big band music. The combination of long graceful step and its rhythm makes it one of the most versatile ballroom dances. Quick step from United States. Created around the 1920s in the United States, Black Americans commonly danced quick step with similar movements to foxtrot but at a slower pace. Over time, the quick step developed into a much faster and livelier dance. It is now known for its quick footwork, hops, and syncopated step. Unlike the smooth and romantic waltz, the quick step is energetic and joyful, making it exciting to watch and perform at competitions. Venice Waltz from Austria. Originating in Austria, Venice Waltz is a fast-paced rotary dance where dancers turn in either clockwise or counterclockwise. It only consists of turns and chain step. The Venice Waltz is actually the original form of the waltz. Unlike the slower version we usually see, this one is danced at much faster tempo. Because it is made up mostly of continuous turns, it requires stamina, precision, and balance from the dancers. Winning moments. As the ballroom dancing became popular in the Philippines, one of the many successful Filipino dancers was Belinda Adora. She won gold medals in the SEA Games and is now a coach and inspiration to the international ballroom dance community of the Philippines. Her achievements show the Filipinos also excel in ballroom dancing on the international stage. Belinda Adora success proves that with this discipline, passion, and dedication, dancers from our country can shine globally and inspire the next generation of performers. Fundamental characteristic in dance sport. Posture. Dancers confident in executing the moves. In modern standard dances, Posture is very important. Upright posture makes dancers elegant, confident, and balanced with their partners. So, kung kani ang posture kay kung dapat imong tinindugan ani kay kanang straight dili ka bako, kanang straight imong ulo dili ka kanang mag-kuan pa napakay other movements pa dira like di ba imong posture pag nindot imong posture kay mao man ang nakakita og confidence sa imuha. So next, timing. Dancers are in sync with the music. Timing means dancing in sync with the music. Good timing shows harmony between partners and makes the dance smooth. Dapat ang kanang mga linhukan nimo sa imong pagsayaw kay tugma sa imong musika. O kanusa pud magsugod ang music, imo ginang i-timing gid na nimo sa kuan ayaw pag una-una ka mura kag tala-tala. So next, body line. The length of the dancer's body is reaches from head to foot. Body line is the extension and shape of the dancer's body. It makes movements elegant, long, and graceful. So, mauna ang body line ha, mauna ang kanang imong bukton, imong tiil, imong liog, ug imong ulo aron makita ang imong pagka-elegant sa pagsayaw, labi na imong posture pud sa pagsayaw. So, poise. Woman's projection to the dance. Ay, woman's projection to the audience. Pose is how a dancer presents herself with grace, balance, and confidence, especially projecting charm to the audience. So, ang pose kay mauni nagadala sa imong confident, pagkalma sa imong sarili, pagka-elegant sa imong kuan, pagsayaw, kung unsa ka confident sa imong paglihok, sa imong ulo like kanang dili ka maka-feel og nervous pag magsayaw ka. So, mauna ang elegance. So, next, togetherness, the harmony of the pair. Togetherness is the unity of partners. It shows coordination, trust, and harmony in movement. Musicality and expression. Blending of movement and choreography with the music. Musicality is dancing with the rhythm, while expression shows emotions. Together, they make the performance engaging and meaningful. So, kaning musicality and expression ba kay kana bitang pag ang music kay abot sa drama kay ila po expression ug sayaw ana kay drama pod like ang ilang sayaw kay kanang abot sa murag kanang pang dramatic kaayo kay dapat dramatic po ilang ug dramatic pod lang pang sayaw iliniw kanila silang sayaw. So mauna next, presentation, the impact on the audience, costume and grooming. Presentation includes posture, costume, and grooming. It creates a strong impact on both judges and audience. So, kaning presentation kay tana dire yung costume o grooming. Ang costume no kay dapat mobagay sa inyong gisayaw ug ang grooming kay dapat inyong accessories, yung buhok sa girl kay tarong, buhok sa boy kay tarong. So dapat limpyo sila tan-awon para makakuan og makakuan sila sa audience ug sa mga judges. So power, the intensity at which the dancers are performing. Power is the control, intensity, and energy in performance. It makes movements dynamic and exciting. So, kaning presentation, kaning power kay, mao ni ang kanang pag-impact bitaw nimo sa audience ug mga sa judges like, kanang inyong sayo ka energetic kay like, dili mo luya kay, pag makita mo sa mga audience of judges nga luya mo sumurag wala mo power na kanang dili ma-excite ang mga gitanaw sa inyo kung luya kay mo so di ba pag dala mo energetic ngana kay di ba nindot yung tanaw ang mga judges ana og audience. So next, foot and leg action, the impact of lower extremities on the overall performance. Foot and leg action give foundation to every step. They ensure balance, smoothness, and precision. So, kaning foot leg, nakita ninyo sa picture nung na nakataas ang isa ka tiil sa babae. So, ingon ana, dapat kabalo pud sila sa ilang balance. So, kung kanusay taas ang tiil sa girl, like, makuha siya sa lalaki, makontrol, basta like, makontrol lang balance. Okay, possible pud ba na matumba sila, no? So, next, shape, the strategic turning and swaying to achieve the desired position. Shape is the use of the body to form graceful lines and turns. It adds artisticity and beauty to the dance. Muna nagapanindot sa sayo nila ang kaning shape. So, lead and follow. Internal communication between the pair through non-verbal communication. Lead and follow are nonverbal communication between partners. It builds trust and allows them to move as one. So kaning lead and follow kay ang nagsayaw ra ani like sila ra duha ang naga-communicate sa sarili like using nonverbal communication like si boy kay mo kuan tas i-follow po ni girl. So mao na ilang non-verbal communication like lead and follow gani no. So mao na next. Intangibles refers to how the pair blends into one pair and how they behave as they dance. Intangibles are qualities like chemistry and presence. They make the dance more expressive and unforgettable. So kaning intangibles bitaw kay di ba pag makakita mo nagsayaw like dili sila uyab pero ilang chemistry sa ilang pagsayaw. So mao nang intangibles like makita nimo lang chemistry di ba like kilig sila magsayaw sa dili sila uyab kilig kaayo. So mao ning next floor crack spatial techniques to avoid bumping other dancers during competition or performance. Floor crack is the skill of moving around the floor without colliding. It shows control awareness and professionalism. Perf- professionalism. So, di ba pag nakakita naman siguro mo ana sa sayo-sayo no kanang lagkyo kayo sila bisag unom sila kabuk unya partner niya ginaaboy gyud na nila ang bumping sa each other mo nang floor crap like kanang ginaaboy nila ang bumping ba to each others like di sila bangka sa mga dancers nakita naman siguro mo ana no so mo na that's all thank you